of hydrogen in periodic table. Beta, you know all about the hydrogen. Hydrogen is the symbol of hydrogen is H. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Mass number also 1. Electronic configuration that you know very well, that is 1s1. And position of hydrogen in periodic table that you see in the periodic table just like this. Better, this is our periodic table. And when you see this periodic table, first of all you see the hydrogen here. Position of hydrogen in the periodic table is in first group and first period. Beta, first group, first period. Periods are 7, na? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And these are group 1, 2, beta 3 to 12, 13 to 17 and 18. When you see this periodic table carefully, first of all you see hydrogen is placed here. That means it is placed in first group, first period, or you can say it is the first element of periodic table. It is the first element of periodic table. How many neutrons present in periodic table? Our answer is 0. Number of neutron in the hydrogen atom. Beta, atomic number, mass number minus atomic number, that is 0. In whole the periodic table, it is only the element which do not contain any neutron. Otherwise, all elements have neutron. Beta, if its position is clear, it is the first element in periodic table, beta, it is okay, it is true. But its position is anomalous. It is placed in group 1 in period 1. Beta, its period is same, but its position is not confirmed because all the elements present in group 1 are metals. Beta, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium or francium. Francium is the radioactive metal. Hydrogen is the metal. Answer is no. Hydrogen is the non-metal. So its position is not confirmed in group 1. Beta, group 17, group 18 are noble gases, but group 17 fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Hydrogen has some similar property as that of group 17 element. Group 17 elements are known as halogens because they are sea salt forming. Group 1 elements are basic in nature, they form strong base, so these are known as alkali metal group. Beta, hydrogen, position of hydrogen is anomalous in the modern periodic table. It will be placed in group 1, but it also has similar property as that of group 17. So it must be placed here. Its position is anomalous because it has similar property of both the group 1 as well as group 17. Our question, what are the similarities between hydrogen and alkali metal? Or what are the similarities between hydrogen and halogens? Or group 1 elements or group 17 elements? Our first question, why position of hydrogen is anomalous? Your direct answer, because it has similar property as that of group 1 as well as group 17 elements, so its position is not confirmed in the main body of periodic table due to its atomic number 1. It must be placed here. But due to some similar property, it is similar property of group 1 element, so it is placed here, but its position is not confirmed. Its position may be in group 1 as well as in group 17, that will be confirmed on the basis of their similar properties. Beta, similar properties or similarities between hydrogen and alkali metals. hydrogen and alkali metals. Alkali metal means group 1 elements. First of all, the electronic configuration of both these are same. Hydrogen and alkali metal both have similar outermost electronic configuration. First one, similar outermost electronic configuration. Similar outermost electronic configuration, that is hydrogen. Atomic number 1, electronic configuration is 1s1. Alkali metal, first element is lithium. Atomic number 3, 1s2, 2s1. Outermost orbital is s orbital, and both these s orbital contain 1 electron. So similar outermost electron configuration. Same for sodium. Beta neon is the lowest gas, 3s1. Potassium 19, argon is the lowest gas, 4s1. You are not needed to give all the example. One example is sufficient. I will give you example to explain you. Due to similar outermost electronic configuration of hydrogen as alkali metal. Similarities, first similarity. Second, beta you see here, second is in the first. If one electron entering hydrogen from elsewhere, its outermost electron configuration is fully filled or stable. Same for all, that means all have tendency to gain electron, but metal always have tendency to lose electron. Hydrogen have tendency to gain electron, but metal not. So this is the discarded. But all have similar property to lose the electron. By loss of this one electron, they form stable noble gas configuration. Then our second is the second property is both have tendency to, both hydrogen and alkali metal have tendency to lose electron. Both hydrogen and alkali metals have tendency to lose electrons because they have one electron in outermost shell. Any element which have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in outermost shell, they have tendency to lose these electrons. By loss of this outermost electron, both have unipositive oxidation state. Better they have one electron in outermost shell, they lose this electron, they carry positive charge, they lose only one electron. Answer is +1. We can say both have +1 oxidation state. +1 is also known as unipositive. Uni means 1, positive means positive. Both have unipositive oxidation state or +1 oxidation state. Beta, both carry positive charge by loss of electron and cation move towards cathode. We can say both are liberate or release from cathode. Beta, any element which have tendency to lose electron means to oxidize itself but help in reduction of other, then both have reducing character and both lose their electron very easily due to larger size. Period wise size decrease, that means alkali metal are of larger size. Larger size means less ionization energy, that means they lose their electron very easily. They behave as strong reducing agent because they help in reduction of other. Better they help in the gain of electron of other by lose itself. That means they help in reduction of other. They act as reducing agent and they lose their electron very easily. That means they act as strong reducing agent. Both act as strong reducing agent. are the similarities. Better hydrogen and alkali metal have more other similarities, like both have tendency to react with metal, both form covalent compounds, both form ionic compound, and so many. But these are from first point. You learn this. And now our next question. What are the similarity between hydrogen and group 17 element? Group 17 elements are known as halogens. Similarities between hydrogen and halogens. Halogens are group 17 elements. First one, beta, again similar electronic configuration or electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Beta, electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. Beta, first element is fluorine, atomic number 9. Lowest noble gas is helium, 2s2, 2p5. Chlorine, 17. Lowest noble gas is neon, 3s2, 3p5. How will you identify similarity? Beta, by gain of one electron, it have nearest noble gas configuration, helium. By gain of one electron, nearest noble gas, neon. Nearest noble gas, argon. That means by gain of one electron, both hydrogen and halogen form nearest noble gas stable electronic configuration. We will write both. In both, one electron less in outermost shell than nearest noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration means both hydrogen and halogens have one electron less than noble gases. If it gain one electron, atomic number 2, number of electron 2, electron configuration 1s2. That means helium. If it gain one electron, number of electron 10. Electron configuration 2s2, 2p6, neon. This is from 3s2, 3p6, argon. Nearest noble gas electronic configuration or configuration. Next point, beta, it is identified from here. They have tendency to gain electron to complete the octet. Our second similarity is both have tendency to gain electron. Both have tendency to gain electron. By gain of electron, they carry negative charge. They gain only one electron for nearest noble gas configuration. That means both have -1 oxidation state. Both have -1 oxidation state. If they carry negative charge, they release from anode. Beta, both are released और liberate भी लिख सकते हो. Both are released from anode. They have tendency to gain electron, means reduce itself, help in oxidation of other. Both acts as strong oxidizing agent. These are the similarities between hydrogen and alkali metal, hydrogen and halogen. But beta, they have some differences with these groups also. What are the difference between hydrogen and alkali metal, hydrogen and halogen? What are the differences? So beta, these are alkali metal, hydrogen and halogen. You want to differentiate alkali metals with hydrogen or hydrogen with halogen. These two are separate questions beta. First one, hydrogen have +1 as well as -1 oxidation state, but halogen have only +1 oxidation state. It is the difference. Beta, all alkali metals are monoatomic, but hydrogen, you will exist hydrogen as H2. That means it is diatomic. All metals are solid at room temperature. Solid at room temperature. But hydrogen will gas at room temperature. Hydrogen exists as gas at room temperature. Alkali metals exist as solid at room temperature. Beta, hydrogen released from cathode as well as anode. But alkali metals always release from cathode because they carry positive charge. Hydrogen have tendency to gain or lose electron. Tendency to gain means -1, or lose electron. Lose means +1. If hydrogen gain electron, its oxidation state is -1. If it lose electron, its oxidation state is +1. But all alkali metal always have tendency to lose electron due to low ionization enthalpy. They only have tendency to lose electron. Beta, hydrogen will exist as oxidizing as well as reducing agent. Oxidizing as well as reducing agent. But alkali metal always exists as strong reducing agent. Clear? Beta, alkali metal always react with non-metal to give ionic compound. But hydrogen have tendency to form ionic as well as covalent compound. Ionic compound as well as covalent compound. Alkali metal have tendency to react with non-metals only. React with non-metals only. But hydrogen have tendency to react with metal as well as non-metal. If hydrogen have tendency to gain electron, react with metal. Have tendency to lose electron, react with non-metal. That means hydrogen have tendency to react with metals as well as non-metals. Now we have another question. What is the difference between hydrogen and halogen? Beta, hydrogen again same points. Hydrogen have +1 -1 oxidation state. Halogen have only -1 oxidation state. Hydrogen is diatomic. All halogens are diatomic. Beta, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All are diatomic. So this is not the point of difference with halogen. Hydrogen exists as gas at room temperature. Halogens, bromine as liquid and iodine as solid at room temperature. Otherwise, fluorine and chlorine are gases. So you may or may not be right this as point of difference. Beta, hydrogen released from cathode as well as anode. They are from only anode. Hydrogen have tendency to gain or lose electron. They always have tendency to gain electrons. Beta, hydrogen exists as oxidizing as well as reducing agent. They only act as oxidizing agent. They only act as oxidizing agent. Beta, halogen form ionic as well as covalent compound both. So this is not the point of difference. This is also not the point of difference, because they react with metal to give ionic compound. They react with non-metal like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. They form covalent compound. Thank you.